Good day, I bid to our lecturer. We are from Team 6. We'll be presenting about mySakura web application. We will be presenting about team background, roles, problem statement, proposed system, project objective, project perspective, use case diagram, class diagram, component diagram, state chart diagram, and demo of our prototype. Our team, 6, was formed on 12 October 2020, consisting of 7 members that will be involved in developing a management web called mySakura for Sakura College Representative Council. mySakura is proposed as a solution to resolve the problem that Sakura College Representative Council encountered with the current information reliant management. This is our team logo and team photo. As for the role in teams, Adlyna Shamimi is in charge of delegating the team as a project manager, Ariel Aren as the planning manager, Kamarulariffin as implementation manager, Syahmi Aiman as process manager, Nadirah as the test manager, Vivi Natasya as customer interface manager, and last but not least, Nurul Amira as the support manager and quality manager. A survey and interview were conducted during the first sprint of the project. Based on the result, Sakura College Representative Council does not have any official platform to interact with residents. Most of the time, the two-way communication rely on social media. Thus, there are no official site or platform for the resident to interact with the council effectively. Relying on social media can be very inconvenient to the council because residents will contact them at night and that time is beyond office hour or not a suitable time. Residents need to go to the office to file a report regarding anything that is associated with the college. This can be very troublesome for the resident as they cannot deal with the problem immediately.
Next, for our proposed system is specially for the residents, CRC members, and staff of Sakura College to overcome the disadvantages of the existing systems. In this proposed system, the residents of Sakura wants to access and know information regarding Sakura College. The main objective of proposed system is to provide for a quick and efficient retrieval of information. Any type of information will be available whenever the user requires, and the system must be easy to operate and user-friendly. For our project objective, our group have discussed about all the problems that the Sakura College Representative Council encountered and have come out with an answer, which is to build up a web-based management framework named mySakura. The objectives in this project are as the following. The first one is to determine the specific requirement of the system for our client. We do this by having an interview and hand out a questionnaire to the Deputy President of the Sakura College Representative Council, Binti Adlyna, to study the problem that the council encountered while doing the services for the Sakura College and resident. From the feedback we received, we were able to compile the problems that the council encountered and proceed to give the solutions to them. Next, discuss the solutions and develop a system that meet the requirement based on the client's demand. After having an interview with the Deputy President and getting her answer from our questionnaire, we were able to acquire the requirement needed by our client. Thus, we are developing our system based on our client's requirement to satisfy our client and help the Sakura College Representative Council doing their work better and more efficient. Lastly, to provide the client with an excellent and user-friendly system at the end of the project. The system that we build should be reliable, fully functional, and function as it should. The system should also fulfill our client's requirement and satisfy our client. It also should resolve the problems that the Sakura College Representative Council encountered during the services for the Sakura College and residents. In project perspective, mySakura is a web-based system. This web-based system is built to help residents of Sakura College to contact and communicate with Sakura College Representative Council or the staff management easily and efficiently. Hence, the residents can contact them without using WhatsApp or walk in to the Sakura College office. Also, the communication and relationship between both parties will be greatly enhanced because of how easy and efficient the system to help solve the problems between both parties. Based on the figure, our system can be accessed using any laptop or computer, tablet, and smartphones. mySakura web application have three users which are the residents, CRC, and staff of Sakura College. The functions of mySakura web-based system according to the type of users are listed below. CRC and staff are currently using the same module as they will share the same function but with different purpose as they are in the same management. For the user profile, Sakura residents can view and edit their own profile. For CRC members and staff, both can view and edit their own profile. Display latest news or announcement regarding Sakura College. Sakura residents can view the news and announcement, while CRC members and staff both can view and update news or announcement. Display previous and upcoming events organized by Sakura College. Sakura residents can view past and future events organized by Sakura College. Meanwhile, CRC members and staff, both of them can view and update the events. Report damages occur in apartment or room. Sakura residents can make damage report only. For CRC, they can make and view damage report, and staff they can view the reports only. For the report residents' whereabouts function, Sakura residents can report their whereabouts only. Meanwhile, CRC can report their whereabouts as resident and view residents' report, and staff can view the reports only. For SOS, Sakura residents can view listed care line to make report. Meanwhile, both CRC and staff can view and update listed care line according to latest information. Next, function display Sakura College information. Sakura resident can view organizational charts and lists of facilities in Sakura. Meanwhile, CRC members and staff both can view organizational chart and manage list of facilities. Next function, contact college management. Sakura residents can view all Sakura College management contact information and provide feedbacks. Meanwhile, CRC and staff both can view and manage Sakura College management contact information, view all feedbacks, and change user account status. Lastly, for function all account information, it is not available for Sakura residents. Meanwhile, for CRC member and staff, both can view all registered users in the system.
Now, I am going to present on the use case diagram for mySakura web application. Basically, the use case diagram consists of two actors, which are resident and admin. Admin consists of staff and CRC of Sakura College. Resident involved in few use cases such as login, update profile, make report, view announcement, view event, view Sakura info, make emergency call, and contact us, while admin involved in all use cases except make emergency call and contact us. For the login, we have extend relationship with sign up. In the login page, we will have like sign up function for user to sign up before login. And then we have include relationship with details. For the update profile, we have include relationship with details as well. To make report, both admin and resident can make report. And we have extend relationship with report damage and report whereabouts. Both users can choose either they want to make report on damage or to make reports on whereabouts, on their whereabouts. For make announcement and make event, we have extend relationship with two use cases, which are update and delete. For make announcement and make event, we have extend relationship with update and delete. The extend relationship is update and delete. They can choose either they want to delete the existing event announcement or they want to update. And for the update care line service, Admin can update Careline service, and they have extend relationship with add new and delete. Admin can either add new Careline service or delete the existing Careline service. And the last one is contact us, has a relationship, extend relationship with view contacts and send feedback. Resident involved in contact us use case, and this use case has extend relationship with view contacts and send feedback. The second diagram that I'm going to explain is class diagram. Class diagram basically has 9 classes, which are resident, admins, profile, announcement, events, report, SOS, Sakura College, and contact us. For report is a parent class for report whereabout and report damage. And admin class consists of CRC and staff class. Starting from the resident have relationship with all the classes except admin. For example, resident can manage profile, resident can view announcement, resident can view events, resident can make report, either they want to make report whereabout or report damage, and residents can view SOS, resident can view Sakura College, and resident can view contact us. While for the admin also have relationship with all the classes except resident. Admin can manage profile, admin can manage announcement, admin can manage events, admin can access to the report that are made by the resident, admin can manage SOS, admin can manage Sakura College, and admin can manage contact us. I'm just going to go through to the admin attribute and method. So here admin has admin ID, admin email, and admin password as the attribute. All the method under the admin classes can be accessed by only CRC and staff. Next, I'm going to explain on the component diagram. Component diagram is used to explain each aspect of the interaction between each system and the system dependency. mySakura web framework should be architecturally in single tier architecture. mySakura will be divided into 3 layers, which are presentation layer, application layer, and data storage layer. Presentation layer is the user interface and communication layer of mySakura web application, where the resident and admin interacts with the application. The main purpose of the presentation layer is to display information and collect information from the user. Next layer is application layer. The information collected will be processed using logic and specific set of rules. Hence, all the function will be stored in this layer, such as login, profile management, report, event, announcement, SOS, Sakura College, contact us, all account information, and logout. This layer also allows the data to be added, deleted, and modified by the user. Lastly, the data storage layer. In this layer, all the database will be saved in mySakura DB. Moving on to the next diagram, I am going to present the state chart from resident page. Starting from the start node, resident will be making a decision either they want to sign up or log in. If the resident have an account, they can just log in, and if they do not have, they can sign up first before login. After attempting on login, resident will go to the another decision, either the password and email are valid. If email and password invalid, they have to go back to the login state and enter email and password. And if the email is valid, then the resident will be successfully logged in. Once resident has successfully logged into the system, they will be brought to the dashboard, and from there, few activities can be triggered, such as update profile, make report, view announcement, view event, view Sakura info, view Careline services, and view contact us. Few activities or state require the data to be saved into the database before going back to the dashboard, such as update profile, make report, and view contact us. Unless they don't make any changes, then they can just proceed going back to the dashboard. For the update their profile state, if the resident update their profile, they have to save changes first, and then they can go back to the dashboard. And if not, they can just straightly go back to the dashboard. And for the make report state, if the resident make report, they have to save first and then go back to the dashboard. And if not, they can just straight go back to the dashboard. And then the last state which need the data to be saved is view contact us. If the resident just want to view the contact us, after that they can just go back to the dashboard, and if not, they will have another state which is give feedback. After giving the feedback, they have to save the feedback and they can go back to the dashboard. From the back to dashboard, the resident will have another decision, either they want to log out or not. If the resident want to log out, that is the end of the activities, and if the resident does not want to log out, they can just go back to the dashboard and start new activities. And that's all for the resident page. Thank you. The next diagram is the chart for admin page. From the start node till the login state, admin page has the same as resident page. Once admin is successfully logged in, admin will be brought to the dashboard, and from there, few activities can be triggered, such as update their profile, manage all accounts information, manage report, manage announcement, manage event, manage Sakura info, update Caroline, service, and view contact us or feedback. Unlike resident, admin has a lot of activities need to be saved into the database. All the activities need to be saved into the database before going back to the dashboard, except view contact or view feedback. I'm going to explain on two states only for the admin page. The first one is manage all account state. This state split into two states that are change admin status and view all account information. If admin wants to change the admin status, they can go to this state and they will make changes and data has to be saved before leaving. And if no, they can just go back to the dashboard. And if admin wants to view all the accounts, they can go to the second state, and after that they can go back to the dashboard. The second state I'm going to explain is manage announcement. This state can be split into two states, which are create announcement and view or edit or delete announcement. If admin going to the first state, which is create announcement state, they will have two decisions. Either they create new announcement or not. If yes, the announcement need to be saved first, and if not, the admin can just straightly to the dashboard. For the second state, view or edit or delete announcement state, if they make changes such as edit or delete, the data need to be saved before leaving. And if they do not make any changes, which means they just view, admin can straightly go back to the dashboard after that. And then after going back to the dashboard, they have two decisions, either they want to log out or continue another activity.
This is the demo for our project, mySakura web application. This demo will be presented by Nurul Amira, Adlyna Shamimi, Syahmi Aiman, and Muhammad Kamarulariffin.
Hi, my name is Syahmi Aiman and Rashid. I'll be presenting for the sign up events. First, the resident must click the sign up button and then they must fill in the fields. After that, they must click the sign up button, and if the resident is validated to the system, they will be redirected to the dashboard page. Next, in order for a resident to log into the system, they must use their registered account in the database of mySakura. Firstly, they need to fill in their email and password. After that, they must click the login button, and if the email and password is validated to the database or the system, the resident will be redirected to the dashboard page of mySakura.
Before we go to other functions, let's start with the current user's profile. To view their profile, just click this button. As this user had just registered, there are no other information of the user.
So, it is necessary to update their profile first. They can click on this button to edit their profile. So now, let's fill in this user's profile. After they have done with the editing profile, they can go to the dashboard by clicking home, or they can go straight forward to the other features that are on the dashboard.
In the event page of resident view, the resident will be displayed with the event details, which are the upcoming and past events. For the calendar feature, resident may click the highlighted dates and the system will pop up the event details. Resident may close the pop-up by clicking the close button. For the contact us page, resident can submit their feedback by clicking the submit button after they have done filling in the comment section. For example, hello, and a successful message is displayed, meaning that the feedback has been submitted to the admin successfully. This page also provides link to Sakura College social media such as Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. By clicking one of these icon button, the resident will be redirected to the respective social media page of Sakura College. In the source page for resident view, the resident will be displayed with the list of K-line numbers relating to Unimas and Sakura College. The resident can search the K-line numbers by name and by the type of K-lines. This is the example. This is by searching by name, and this is searching by the type of K-lines.
For the report function, resident side from the home page, click report, and then there are three options the resident can choose from. The first one, to file a report. If there is any report, name, metric number, room number and phone number are automatically entered. So enter the report detail, testing, purpose, resident. Submit. A message will show that it is successful, and then we can check the report that we just submitted at the report inbox. As you can see, there it is, and the report status, whether the admin have read it or any information that they want to say to you about the report. Close. For the report whereabouts function, click, and then this is where you can report where you are right now. Name, metric number, room number, phone number also is automatically entered. So if you are not at the college, you have to enter your current location and then submit it. But if you are at college, just click yes, and then you have to state whether you bring transportation or not. If no, click no. But if yes, click yes and enter your plate number P, and then submit. And that's all for the report function resident side.
Next, from the dashboard or any pages, residents can click on announcement and news icon or text to view all the announcements that have been made by management of Sakura College. By clicking it, residents will be redirected to announcement page. And at here, residents can view all the announcement that has been sorted according to the latest announcement, which means that the latest announcement will be at the first, while the other one will be on the next. On each announcement, residents can take note the details of the announcement, such as title, date, time, description, photo, and file. For the file, resident can download or view it by clicking download file button, which is in a pink color. By clicking it, resident will be redirected to the file respectively. If it's on a gray color, it means that there is no file attached to the announcement. Next, from the dashboard or any pages, residents can click on Sakura College icon or text to view all the information of Sakura College. By clicking it, residents will be redirected to Sakura College page. And at here, residents can view all the information such as about Sakura, organizational chart of staff, and CRC. Residents also can view a list of facilities that have been provided in Sakura College. The list will be sorted in alphabetically order, and residents can take note the details of each facility such as name, description, place, and image. This will help residents to know and utilize all the facilities in Sakura College. Lastly, from the dashboard or any pages, residents can log out from the system by clicking Logout button. By clicking it, residents will be displayed with a confirmation pop-up which have two choices of button, whether OK or Cancel. If resident click Cancel button, resident will be redirected back to the page. While if resident choose OK button, resident will be successfully logged out from the system and redirect to the login page.
This is a demo of logging in as an admin account. By entering an authorized email and its password, an admin can log into the system. For example, after successful login, they will be able to see this dashboard. If the admin wants to view or edit their profile, they can click on this button and it will redirect them to their profile. If they want to edit their profile, just click on this button and make changes to where necessary. Next, for the announcement features, when they click on this announcement button on the dashboard, they should be redirected to this page. Here, the admin can view the announcement that have been created. To make changes or create new announcement, admin needs to click on the edit announcement here. After that, they will be able to either edit or delete the existing announcement, or they can also create new announcement. To create an announcement, just scroll down until they see this button. Click on it and fill in all the information regarding the announcement. The marked field is compulsory. If not enough information, a alert message will appear to tell the admin that they need to fill in all the required forms. For example, after all the details of the announcement is provided, click on Publish. The announcement is now visible on the list. To edit an announcement, in case there are some errors while entering the details or there are some updates of the announcement, admin can click on this icon and make changes where intended. For example, by clicking Save, the announcement will be updated. To delete an announcement, admin can click on this icon. This confirmation message is to avoid accidental deletion when misclicked. After that, to go back to the previous page, click back and they will be redirected to the announcement page. From here, they also can navigate to other features, such as in the dashboard. So now, let's go to the next feature, which is event. When the event button is clicked, it will lead to admin's event page. In this event page, the admin will be able to see a calendar for reminder purposes. When Mark That is clicked, the details of the event will show up. The events are grouped into two categories, which is upcoming and past events. When the event has occurred, it will automatically listed in the past events. If it is not yet occurred, it will stay in the upcoming list. To add, edit, or delete event, click on this Edit Event button and they will be redirected to this page. The process of editing, deleting, or adding new event is the same as in announcement, where this icon will enable the event to be edited, or this trash bin icon to delete the selected event. To create a new event, scroll down until you see this button. Then click on this Create New Event button and just fill in the form of the event's information. Make sure to fill in all the required fields marked with the asterisk before publishing, or you might encounter this alert message. After publish, the event is now visible for the residents to see on their events page. To go to previous page, click on back and you will be able to see the previous page, which is the event page.
For the Sakura College function admin site, on the homepage we choose Sakura College, and then on this homepage there are the information about the Sakura College, the organizational chart for the staff and college representative committee of the Sakura College, and also there is a facilities provided by the college. On this facilities function, we can either create a new facilities or delete a previous one. So for example, we create a new facilities for our testing purpose. Testing. Click an image, wait, and save. As you can see, the facilities that we just entered is here, and we can delete this. Yes. And that's all for the Sakura College function on the admin side. For the SOS function admin side, from the homepage, we click SOS, and then the SOS which are Caroline services that are provided by the Sakura College will be shown here. We can search the name of the staff. Click search by name, and then it will pop out, or by the type of Caroline. Type. And to clear, click like this. And we can also add a new Caroline services if needed. We click on new SOS name, contact number, type of Caroline, minimus, directory room, testing 1 2, other information, testing purpose, and then we click save. A new Caroline services uploaded message will be shown, and as you can see, this is the information that we just entered, and also we can delete it if it is not in use. Yes, and that's all for the SOS part admin side. For the all account information, from the homepage we click all account information, and then this will give all the registered account under the system You can either search the name, for example, we search for Nurul Amira, and her name will be only shown. If we search for metric number, example 9999, the sixth information will be shown, and we can change the admin status of this account, so either they will be forwarded to the resident page or the admin page. For example, we will change the admin for Adlyna Shamimi. Admin status yes, and then a message will be shown that Adlyna Shamimi has been successfully changed to admin. And we have to change this back because she is not in admin for now. And also a pop-up will change. And also a pop-up will be shown. And that's all for the account information admin side. For the report function admin side, from the home page, we go to report page, and then there are 5 options the admin can choose. For the first one, file a report, the admin can file a report regarding the Sakura College. The name, metric number, room number, and phone number are automatically entered based on your profile information. For the room number and phone number, we can change them if necessary. So to enter the report detail, testing, propose, and then click submit or cancel. Submit. A message will be shown. And then for the report whereabouts, click this is to tell where you are currently at, and also name, metric number, room number, and phone number are automatically entered. So if you are in college, you click no yes, and that whether you are bringing transportation or not. If no, then just click no, and that's it, and submit. If yes, then transportation no, and you can click submit. But if yes, you have to state your number plate, then click submit. For the report invoke function, this is where you can check the status of the report you just made. This is the section where the status will be shown. For now it is unread because admin haven't read the report you have made. For the view all report function, this is where all reports are shown and we can see them and change the status. And also you can search for name of a reporter on metric. So we will change the report status of our report just now to have been, and click edit status. Status changed successfully. And click OK, go back, and then you check for the report inbox. Yes, you can see the status have been changed. For the view resident whereabout function, click it. This is the page where you can see the resident location and the report that have been made. We can either search the name or filter it by what date. As you can see, the report that we make just now about our whereabouts is here, and also other people report. And that's all for the report function admin side.
Next, in the contact us page for the admin side, once admin is redirected to the page, the admin will be displayed with the list of submitted feedbacks done by the residents. Other than that, the admin may visit the Sakura College social medias, which are Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. By clicking the icon button, the admin will be redirected to the respective social media page.
Lastly, from the dashboard or any pages, admin can log out from the system by clicking Logout button. By clicking it, admin will be displayed with a confirmation pop-up which have two choices of button, whether OK or cancel. If admin click cancel button, admin will be redirected back to the page, while if admin choose OK button, admin will be successfully logged out from this system and redirect to the login page. That's all from us. Thank you.